You asked, how to divide 4323 by 23 using the long division method. 4 is too small. Use 43. 43 divided by 23 equals 1. 1 times 23 equals 23. 43 minus 23 equals 20. Bring down 2, making 202. 202 divided by 23 equals 8. 8 times 23 equals 184. 202 minus 184 equals 18. Bring down 3, making 183. 183 divided by 23 equals 7. 7 times 23 equals 161. 183 minus 161 equals 22. The remainder is 22. The final result is 187, remainder 22.